Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this awesome 2018 Subaru WRX Premium. If you're looking for a performance sedan with all-wheel drive and a nice slick shifting manual gearbox, the WRX is a great choice. Really, it's kind of in a class of its own with lots of rally car pedigree and heritage. These are great performing vehicles in all weather, and that's probably a big reason why they're so popular in the Pacific Northwest. That all-wheel drive system will extract the maximum amount of performance even when the roads are wet, which happens a good part of the year here where we live. The premium model comes nicely equipped with features. This one has heated seats, nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. I like the flat bottom on it. This one also has the STI short shifter kit, so you get the same short shifter you find in the higher up model, the STI, and then you get this nice STI shifter. You have a great infotainment system equipped with Starlink, backup camera. Then you have a little screen up there. You can kind of pick and choose the information. Right now it's showing the boost. This one has 28,582 miles, and you have this selector here so you can make changes to information popping up in the center screen, so you can have miles per hour, all sorts of cool features. And then up here you can program this screen here with this little controller right here, so you can see there's various different menus and stuff that pop up. Moonroof, rain gutters, local 1 owner clean Carfax. If you're in the market for a WRX, this one is definitely worth a look. Love the sound of that Boxer turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Really looks great in white. White's such an easy color to take care of. The tinted windows are a nice complement as well. Nice styling. And the one thing I like about the WRX is you have this big air dam right here, and I can tell you the many car manufacturers are guilty of putting fake air vents and fake intakes on cars, but on the WRX that big air dam is actually functional. It sends air right into the intercooler up there. With the WRX you have 268 horsepower, not a very heavy car. So if 268 horsepower, it's pretty quick, and of course has tons of performance upgrades, so you can definitely up that horsepower. And the STI makes about 300, I think it's 305 horsepower. But on paper, and actually in the real world too, the STI really is not that much quicker than the WRX. But you do have to pay a pretty big premium to upgrade to the STI. Of course, the STI has some cool features like a programmable center differential, higher quality wheels. There's a lot of other things on the STI besides more horsepower that, you know, improve the vehicle and make it that much more expensive. But from a performance standpoint, you know, the WRX is a pretty good performance bargain versus the higher price you'd have to pay for the STI. So definitely take that into consideration if you're considering both. Maybe you're looking at the WRX and the STI. That's something to think about. This one has been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good, and all it needs now is a new home. And the great thing about the WRX is it's a 4-door sedan, so it's very practical. It has all-wheel drive, so it's also practical in our neck of the woods. It's going to do good in the snow, but it's also very fun to drive. Quad tip exhaust, have a nice little deck lid spoiler, and it has a great 6-speed gearbox too. You can also see we have a cargo area protector, regular floor mats still in the plastic, and then we have Subaru all-season mats. If you're a manual transmission enthusiast, the gearbox in this WRX is fantastic. I am a manual transmission enthusiast. I own a 6-speed manual G35 sedan myself. And obviously automatic transmissions are a lot more efficient than manual transmissions. And you know, I think the car manufacturers tend to forget that people just don't care about shaving a 1/10 of a second off 0 to 60 or the quarter mile or how fast the vehicle's on the racetrack. It's also the rewarding joy of the vehicle, feeling connected to it, the tactile feel of a transmission. For me, when I do that perfect rev match downshift before entering a corner, it's a little bit, it just tickles the pleasure sense of my brain. It's like a little miniature reward when I do that perfect shift. And I don't know if you feel the same way. I think the people who do seek out manual transmission cars, they're a specific type of person, specific type of car enthusiast, and hopefully they'll keep on making them. Luckily Subaru makes them still available in their performance vehicles, and it is a great gearbox. If you're looking for a nice clean WRX, this one's well worth a look. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.